Elegance should never feel like a chore, especially when it comes to your hair. If you're a busy woman who wants to look put together in minutes, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 easy yet elegant hairstyles that will have you looking effortlessly chic in no time. Whether you're heading to work, a casual brunch, or a night out, these styles will fit right into your schedule. As we get older, our hair changes, and so does our routine. We want styles that are low maintenance, timeless, and flattering without spending hours in front of the mirror. That's why these hairstyles are designed for effortless beauty, quick styling, and confidence every day. Our first hairstyle is a classic low bun, sophisticated yet incredibly easy to achieve. Here's how to do it. Gather your hair into a low ponytail at the nape of your neck. Twist the ponytail and wrap it around itself to form a bun. Secure with bobby pins or a hair tie, and gently pull out a few face-framing pieces for a softer look. Optional. Add a decorative clip or pin for a polished finish. Perfect for work, formal events, or when you need a quick yet stylish updo. Next up, we have soft waves, a style that instantly adds volume and movement without looking overdone. If you have naturally wavy hair, simply apply a light mousse and scrunch for texture. If your hair is straight, use a curling wand or rollers to add loose waves. Brush through the curls for a more natural effect. Pro tip: if you want waves without heat, braid your hair the night before and wake up to natural waves. For those days when you can't decide between an updo or leaving your hair down, the half-up twist is the perfect balance. Take 2 small sections from the front and twist them towards the back. Secure them with a clip or a small hair tie at the crown of your head. Lightly tease the top for a bit of volume. Why it's great? It lifts the face, keeps hair out of your eyes, and looks effortlessly polished. Great hairstyles start with healthy hair. Here are a few quick tips to keep your hair looking fabulous at any age. Hydration is key. Use a nourishing conditioner to prevent dryness. Less heat, more protection. Always use a heat protectant spray before styling. Regular trims. Keeps hair looking fresh and prevents split ends. Try silk pillowcases. They help reduce frizz and keep hair smooth overnight. There you have it. 3 easy, timeless hairstyles that will keep you looking chic and confident in minutes. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle tips. And if you want more styling ideas, check the description for my recommended hair care products and tutorials.